Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. I'm Kanika Tandon and this is my third video of class 2nd English 2nd. In this video, I'll complete our chapter number 1 by giving you the exercises of the chapter that is remaining, because in my last video I've already given you the question answers and the word meanings of this chapter. Also, before starting today's video, here is a revision test paper for whatever you have learned in these previous two videos. Everyone has to do these in their fair copies in front of the presence of their parents. So all the parents are requested to please sit with your child and till the time he completes the revision paper, and the answers will be given in the next video. So question number 1 for question paper for the revision test paper is question number 1. Write the meanings of the following. So there are 5 words: lanes, delicious, cottage, woods, and clutching. These are of 5 marks, 1 mark each. And second question is answer the following questions. Who was walking in the woods? Who gave Poppy the pot? How did the girl help the old lady? How did the town got full of porridge? And why is it wrong to waste food? These are the 5 questions which carry 3 marks each, total of 15 marks. This will be the question revision paper for your first chapter, half of the chapter that we have already studied in the previous 2 videos. Coming to the exercise of chapter number 1, question number 1 is on page number 17. Number the pictures to match the order of the events in the story. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है कि there are 4 pictures और हमें उन पिक्चर्स को ढंग से देखना है और फिर हमें नंबर करना है कि कौन सा इवेंट कब हुआ था. Alright, so first picture is when the town got full of porridge. Second picture is कि पॉपी की मदर बिना stop cooking pot stop बोले सो गई हैं. Third picture is Poppy is telling about the porridge pot to her mother. And last picture is जब पॉरेज वो उन्होंने पॉट को स्टॉप कुकिंग स्टॉप बोले सो बिना बोले सोई हैं वो, और सारा पॉरेज गिरना शुरू हो गया. सो सबसे पहले क्या हुआ था, सबसे पहले पॉपी ने अपनी मदर को पॉरेज पॉट दिखाया था. सेकंड, द लेडी द मदर स्लेप्ट विदाउट टेलिंग द पॉट टू स्टॉप कुकिंग. थर्ड, द porridge started to come out of the pot और वो पूरे उनके रूम में फैल गए. लास्ट, all the porridge went over the whole town. पूरे टाउन में porridge फैल गया है. So this is the exercise number 1. Coming to exercise number 2, page number 19. Match the columns to complete the sentences. One has been done for you. So we have to match the following to complete the sentences. आप ऐसे lines भी खींच सकते हैं या फिर आप डायरेक्ट नंबर लिख सकते हैं. It is your wish. So the old lady's bags were heavy. Poppy was kind. The porridge was delicious. The porridge pot was little. The weather on the day Poppy met the old lady was sunny. Okay, I hope it is clear to you all. Coming to the next exercise of the same page. First is change the following words from one to many. One has been done for you. हम लोगों को क्या करना है, these are the words which are singular. अब हमें उन्हें plural करना है. तो cherry becomes cherries. We'll remove y and put ies. Similarly in puppy, it will become puppies. PUPPIES. We'll not write y. We'll remove y and write ies. Story, STORIES. Country, COUNTRIES. City, CITIES. In these words, the words were ending from y. y से word ख़त्म हो रहा था. जब भी कोई word y से ख़त्म हो रहा होता है और उस word को plural करना होता है, तो what do? We remove y from the word and write ies. Turning on the page and coming on page number 20, First exercise is write a special name for each thing on the list given below. Remember to use a capital letter. So what we have to write, your first name. Here you have to write your own first name. For example, my name is Kanika. My name is Kanika Tandon. So I'll write my first name, which is Kanika, in the under the column, in front of the column, my first name, and Tandon for my last name, your last name. So similarly you have to write your first name in front of the first name और अपना last नाम second number पे लिखना है. Name of your school in which you study, it's St. Mary's School, it's easy. Name of the village, town or city you live in, that is Nagina, and name of the country is India. Next exercise on the same page, draw lines to pair the common names and the special names. Okay, so we have to match the following again. Okay, so out of these 5, what is a cartoon? Mickey Mouse. So we'll match cartoon with Mickey Mouse. City, New Delhi. Textbook, Mulberry. Building, Taj Mahal. And elephant, Jumbo. Alright. Okay, coming to the next exercise on page number 21. Look at the pictures of Ryan and Zara on a sunny day and a rainy day. Circle the things we can count in these pictures and complete the table given below. So what we have to see both of these pictures. One is of sunny day, एक तो normal sunny day की है, another one is of rainy day, जब बारिश होती है उस दिन की है. So what we have to write, in one column we have to write things we can count, जो चीज़ें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं वो लिखनी है, और दूसरे कॉलम में हमें क्या लिखना है, जो चीज़ें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. सो थिंग्स वी कैन काउंट, सबसे पहले हम लिखते हैं कि जो हम चीज़ें काउंट कर सकते हैं. एक तो ऑलरेडी गिवन है. सो वन इज़ वी कैन ऑब्वियसली काउंट काइट, वी कैन ऑब्वियसली काउंट सन, क्योंकि सन हमेशा एक होता है. ट्रीज़, देयर आर ओनली 2 trees in the picture. Shoes, there are only 2 pair of shoes, so 4 shoes are there. And children, how many children are there in the picture? Only 2. Now coming to the things that we cannot count, sunshine, of course we cannot count. हम ये नहीं गिन सकते कि सूरज की कितनी किरणें हमारे ऊपर आ रही हैं. Second is rain, can you count rain कि कितना किलो बारिश हो गई है? ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हैं. So we cannot count rain. Air, we cannot count air. We cannot count clouds, and also we cannot count grass. I hope it is understood to all of you. Okay, coming to the next exercise. Circle the words we cannot count. Add an S or ES to change the word we can count from 1 to many. Then write them in your notebook. So what you have to do, there are words here. So first हमें क्या करना है, जो चीज़ें हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते हम उसको सर्कल कर लेंगे, और जो चीज़ें हम काउंट कर सकते हैं उसको हमें प्लूरल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है. So first is water. Can we count water? No. So we'll put a circle against it. Coming to glass. Can you count glasses at your home? Of course. So write glasses, GLASSES, the plural form of glass. Third is cake. Can you count cake? Yes, you can. So CAKES. Coming to D, dishes. Can you count dishes? Dishes means the utensils you eat in or you cook in. So we can obviously count how many plates are there at our home. So DISHES. Next is air. Can you count air? No. So put a circle. Next is rice. Can you count how many rice are there in your home? No, you cannot count. So put a circle. Next is tables. Can you count tables at your home? Yes. So TABLES. You'll write it in the plural form. Sugar. Can you count sugar granules in your home? No, of course. So we'll put a circle. Benches. You might not be having any benches at your home, but if you come to the school, can you count benches in the class? Yes. So we'll change it into plural form. So BENCHES. Next is rabbits. They can be counted. So RIBBITS. Next is food. Can you count food? No. So we'll put a circle. Shoes. We can count shoes. So SHOES. Next is flowers. Can you count flowers? FLOWERS. Next is milk. Milk cannot be counted, so we'll put a circle. And next is salt. Last is salt. सॉल्ट इज हम सॉल्ट को भी नहीं गिन सकते हैं. हम मेजर कर सकते हैं सॉल्ट को कि हमारे पास 1 किलो सॉल्ट है, बट वी कैन नॉट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ ग्रैन्यूल्स of salt in a packet. Okay, use the picture clues to complete the word. This is the exercise on page number 23, which is, I guess, the last second exercise of this chapter. Use the picture clues to complete the word. Okay, so what we have to look at the picture and write whatever we have to fill in that in the dashes. So first is books, BOOKS. Second is foxes, FOXEX. Next is horses, HORSES. Next is brushes, BRUSHES. Fifth one is crayons, CRAYONS. Next is tomatoes, TOMATOTS. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, last exercise is, imagine that you have met someone who gave you a magic pencil. Write 3 things that you would do with your magic pencil. So what we have to do, we have to see this is the first homework that you'll get in this video. In this question what we have to do, we have to हमें ऐसा सोचना है कि इमेजिन करो कि आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको एक मैजिक पेंसिल ला कर दिया है. उससे क्या होता है, वट एवर यू वुड ड्रॉ विद दैट मैजिक पेंसिल, आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ करोगे उस मैजिक पेंसिल से या कुछ भी लिखोगे तो इट विल कम टू यू. यू जस्ट हैव टू इमेजिन. ऐसा असली में नहीं हो रहा है, बट आपको इमेजिन करना है कि आई डोंट वांट, मैं नहीं चाहती कि आप लोग अपने पेरेंट्स से आके लड़ाई करो कि नहीं हमें तो वो मैजिक पेंसिल चाहिए. ऐसी कोई असली में चीज़ नहीं होती है. सो वट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू जस्ट इमेजिन. आपको बस सोचना है कि ऐसी पेंसिल आपके पास है. सो देर आर 3 थिंग्स दैट यू कैन राइट और यू कैन ड्रॉ इफ़ यू वांट. अगर आपको लिखनी है तो आप लिख भी सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ यू कैन ऑल्सो ड्रॉ देम इन योर बुक. आई हैव रिटन एप्पल, मैंगो एंड बनाना जस्ट सो दैट इट इज़ easy for you to make. Otherwise you can do anything that you want. With this, the exercise of chapter number 1 is completed. Now as homework you have to write whatever I've given in this video in your notebooks in front of your parents, and I request all the parents as usual to please sit with your kids whenever they do this work so that they write in a very proper handwriting. Also you can look from your mobiles and help them in writing. And that question paper that I had given in the starting of the video, that has to be completed in their fair copies. So I request all of you to please maintain a copy. After the question answers you can write revision test paper 1 date, and then give your kid to write the answers in that. And in my next video, when I start with the next poem, I'll also give a test. I'll again give a test paper of the exercises of this chapter which I have taught in this video. Okay, so it will be enough for you for this week. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep studying and take care of yourselves. Thank you.